These are some of the points that can help you to build a business case. We understand some businesses may require to build the business case to be able to use this low-code, no-code platform. Essentially, it will help reduce development costs up to 70%. It will give you faster time to move to the market. It will improve your organization agility and competitive advantage and improve the efficiency and productivity of your staff. Like what we discussed before, how it will improve your employee experience, and so forth. Some of the example use cases are modern integration by built-in connectors. As mentioned before, you can integrate with, from a certain website or a third-party API and other systems like CRM or ERP or custom application. By using these connectors, a business can automate the flow of data between different systems. Centralized data repository or single source of truth is a big one as well. Oftentimes, the organization have some rogue or shadow IT applications lying all over the place, like an Excel spreadsheet that managed customer data, or an Access database that was written 20 years ago that has certain process and printing some reports, which means data are being distributed in network drives, which can create some problems. Obviously, security-wise, is a big thing. And secondly, that means you have some duplication of data and inconsistency as well, where you want to try to manage everything into one single source of truth, and Power Platform can help that. Replace paper-based processes. A lot of times, this has been an Achilles heel for a lot of organizations, where they use things manually. Maybe applications were made manually back in the day. Or maybe going through, application were made via emails. Maybe these days, well, email is probably the new paper these days. And we came into a realization when we conversing with one of our vendor partners as well, where they mentioned one of the government organization, they built something and they produced that into a PDF format from electronic data, only for that to be entered again manually into the new system. And that is something that, that will need to be modernized, right? Those are some of the examples that a lot of organizations still have, and potentially that might apply to your organization as well. Ingest, process, and report on data. Once you have your data centralized and single source of truth, you can also have, the solution to help mining those data and process them and then elevate them and present them in a nice Power BI report and dashboard.